Hello guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of resolution on the application of Calm app. You will go to settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Calm app and you can click here. Then in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache, but in the end you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Calm. Here you can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us